guys, welcome back to out of here. The other one was a fail because for some reason it just kind of like closed. So today I'll be showing you how to make this bird that flaps its wings. So, need a piece of paper. I got A4 paper. Yeah. So first off, you're gonna like make it into a square. But as you can see, I'm not making it into a square. But that's how you make it into a square. So do that. So it's like this. Then just grab scissors. Oh, by the way, before I do the scissors, you can cut it with your fingernails. By the way, doing this then against this, yeah. But I'm not going to do it. I'm just doing who doesn't know how to do it exactly. So, just need to cut this. By the way, sorry about the blur. Like, cut this line, not cut this line, like, you know, like against it, yeah. I'll come back when I done it. Okay, we're back. So now I dropped it. You will have these two. We don't need this. So now open this up. Actually, flip it the other way so it's facing this way. Then open it back up. Then fold it down. I'll just show you every time because this camera's not that good. Okay, like that. Then flip it the other side. Then do the same thing. Then open it up, back up. As you see, I have this line. We're gonna turn it this way. The why I kept doing this because I was actually looking at the camera. Then folded it. Actually, keep it like this way. Then folded it like that. And this is where the tricky part is. I'll zoom in for this one. So as you can see, we're gonna push it down. Push it down. Okay, I'm not actually gonna zoom this. So as you can see, we're gonna push it down. So push it down. And we're gonna like close it like that. So it turns into like a square. But then we have to do the same thing with the other one. Now we should have this. Then take this, then that open it. So you should have this line. Then we're gonna take this, then just like do it like this. So it's like that. Then do the same thing. Once you're done with that, turn it around and do the same thing again. Maybe I will cut this because, actually nah. I forgot to do. You have to fold it to make the line. The line. Then fold it back. Wait, that was wrong. There we go. Then do the same thing I just said again. Make sure you hear me loud and clear. Now you'll have this. It's like a kite. Boop. We're gonna point this down. Point this down. Flip it the other way, then do it again. Yeah, and do it. Then we're gonna see, you see this? We're gonna reverse it. Like, we're gonna put this in. And that's apparently all we need to do. Is like reverse it. Then that. Then do the same thing on all of them. Wait, this is super hard. Well, I did find out how to do it. Okay, once you done that, this is what a hot pot is. So you're gonna open it up. Then just keep pushing it down. It should go like this. I need to fix this part up first. So I'll come back when I fix it. Okay, now it should look like this. Then do the same thing. Just need to crush this because you don't need to crush it, guys. Okay, now we should have it. Now, as you can see, we're gonna open it, but not like, don't do this. We're gonna keep it like that. Then we're gonna take this all the way up. As you can see, then, oh, I need to make it a bit far, mate. Just so you can see. So then you flip it this way, then trying to fold it like down. Like this. Then you should have one now. Then just squeeze it. Then you want to take this one out. But you should have this in order to make it fly. And bam. Then flip it this way. Then do this. But do not do like all the way like I said. Kind of like the same thing. So then fold it like this. Then fold it up. Then fold it down like this. So it's like this way. Then apparently you just do the same thing. So it has this part here. This is so hard looking at the camera. I have to look at it just in case it is. I done anything wrong. Okay, so it should kind of like look at now. It doesn't stand up. And then we're gonna make the head now. So I need to make it. So push it down. Then as you can see, we're gonna push it up to make the. I kind of messed it up, by the way, but I just don't care. So now we have it. You can do it inside, by the way. Yeah. Actually, I'll do. Yeah, I'll just do this side. I'll just cut that. Guys, I fixed it. I just cut it, but if you don't have the same problem, you don't need it. So now, as you can see, we have this. So, I'm not going to just do like fold it down. No. So you can see, I'm going to fold it this way. Like fold it like directly this way. Yeah. So this is here. Push it so it's this way. And then do the same thing on the other side. And you should have this. And open it. Then just the first time when you do it, it doesn't fly, but it starts to get flying, kind of. Then kind of starts getting flying, but this wing is not that flying. But if you make it right more, like, by the way, this wing is good, but the other wing is not so good. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this origami video, and I'll see you maybe in the next video.